Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2022 Ford Escape SEL plug-in hybrid. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by the 2.5-liter hybrid engine, has front-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we got a dual exhaust, rear park sensing, backup camera, roof spoiler with mud flaps on the rear. Front, we got some nice silver trim along this vehicle with blind spot detection. You do get a remote start, which is perfect for the cold winter months. A nice place to plug in your vehicle, as well as license plate bracket and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can open on the key fob or the button right there, or a button by the driver's side, which provides you with quite a bit of cargo space. You have hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. 12 volt. You can collapse your last row if you need additional storage, with storage underneath with a spare tire and mobile power cord. To close, all you would have to do is just hit this button right there or on the key fob, and it will close automatically for you. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does stay up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, floor mats with a carpet interior, adjustable rear seats, rear vents, USB and USB-C, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front, liftgate, gas cap, lights, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 88,027 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, also heated, toggle-free screen, voice, phone, and media, volume mute, and cruise control. Looking here at the bottom here, you got your distance to empty with your gas and your electric, since it is a hybrid. You got select screens, audio, navigation, phone, settings, and display setup. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, auto hold, drive modes, and EV mode. Cup holders, some storage here with some outlets and a 12 volt. You do get some more storage underneath in the center console. Dual climate up front with heated front seats and steering wheel. Storage below. And here we got our media controls with your hazards. Infotainment system with audio. Navigation, phone. You can switch between your gas and EV and plug in. Oh, and looking at our audio here, we do get our AM, FM, Bluetooth, or SiriusXM. We got our phone controls. You can see who's been previously connected, as well as connect a new phone. Navigation, search, recents, all that jazz. Any apps you may download will show up here with your power flow, SiriusXM Travel Link, settings such as Forward Pass, vehicle maintenance, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, navigation, charge settings, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is UB52052A, and you can head on a PG Ford or give us a call.